Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we have two rooted chunks of Anthurium from Elevated Tropicals. It is a luxurians and a Worquenium. And I can't wait to see how they're packaged and see what the roots look like. Let's get into it. All right, there's my queen. She's dark form and she's got a leaf starting right there. And here's the luxurians. It actually looks like he's sprouting a leaf right there. I was going to say I'm sure he'll sprout one soon, but there we have one starting. Now some of you may be asking, why purchase stumps of plants? Well, these Anthuriums can be fairly expensive, and this is a cheap way to get started, as you just have to have a little patience and they'll grow into a beautiful plant. These cost me, respectively, $10 and $15, as opposed to the couple of hundred I might have spent. Definitely check out Elevated Tropicals to see the parent plants of these. They're absolutely stunning. I showed them to you earlier in the video. And I'll see you next time.